Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a decorate with me for Christmas. I am so excited to be showing you guys this video because I wanted this video to go up last Sunday, but we did not have our tree. We ended up getting it yesterday and we just decorated it today because I really wanted this video to go up today. I really liked how everything turned out, and pretty much what I'm doing right now is showing you guys everything that I got. Also, I am not going to be saying where I got everything from because I do have a Christmas haul part 1 and part 2 that I did upload already, and if you guys haven't checked that out, then I will definitely have it linked down below for you guys. So pretty much what I'm doing now is flipping up the pillows, taking any tags off items, and taking the items out of any boxes because everything that I got is pretty much new. When we moved to this house, we didn't have anything, so all of this like decor and Christmas stuff is pretty much stuff that I've had to get. So everything is literally brand new, which is very exciting because this is our first time decorating our home and decorating literally like our own space. The first thing I started decorating was the living room. I laid out both of the white pillows, which I was going for red originally, but I wasn't able to find the red that I wanted. Most of them were like a burgundy color or just like a more dark color, but then I found the red small ones and I think they turned out real cute. I also added the red blanket to add a pop of color. My theme for Christmas this year was red and white. I kept it very traditional because I love Christmas and I love all the pops of red when it comes to decorations around the house and especially on the tree. As you can see, I also added those little flower things onto the vase. I also have a clean with me video where I showed all of the fall decorations coming out, and I was putting them away just to start decorating for Christmas, and I did find those at Target. I thought they would go very well on that vase. And as you can see, I was kind of struggling trying to figure out how I wanted to place the little things. So I didn't know if I wanted the red ones in the back, in the front, or in the middle, but I did end up figuring it out. And I also ended up adding a little red candle and also a sign that says Merry Christmas just to make it more decorative in that area. Also, that ribbon I did get from like the little plastic where it all came from. So I added the ribbon on there just to make it more like festive, I guess. And then I ended up adding the little ornaments that came in that plastic bag inside there, which I did get from Burlington, and it smells so good. It has kind of like a cinnamon smell, but not really. So yeah. The candles that I had put in those little sections for my fall video, I ended up replacing them with the candles that I got for Christmas. So I did only get white ones and red ones, so I ended up adding them on there, and all of them smell so good. Like, I would definitely recommend getting candles from Marshall's because they smell so good. Moving on to the dining room, I had to make something work with that table because I only had a white table runner, but when I went to Ross, I found that red one, and laying it on top of each other, I think it turned out pretty nice. Most of the decorations I showed when I did this video last week did change, but at the end of the video, I show how everything turned out and where I decided to place things because I was having such a hard time finding a place for most of these items because like I've said before, since we moved a couple months ago, we don't have a lot of furniture. So buying a lot of like decorations really limits our placements to like where to put them because of the fact that we don't have a lot of furniture in this house. For the stairs, I originally wanted a garland, but I couldn't find many that weren't that long since our railing isn't that long. So when I went to Target, I saw those bows and I bought them not knowing what I would do. So then I got the idea of putting them on the railing, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Next year, I'll definitely buy a simple garland and just do like a little DIY type of thing with it and cut it if I have to. For this section, I did get a basket and it does say Merry Christmas on it. I thought it was going to be too big, but it did end up working out pretty well because that is where we put our keys and our wallet. As you can tell, this is already another day. It's actually today when this video is going up. So we had a little problem with the tree because we ran out of lights. So Tim went to our closest Target and they were sold out. So then I went to another Target a little farther away and it was sold out there too. It was really annoying, but I ended up finding ones that were exactly the same type as the ones that we had originally gotten, except the ones that I got have like 16 different types of settings than the ones we have. So I was so lucky to have found these because I was so upset. I was thinking about ordering them online, but I didn't want to have to wait to order those online and then post this video or whatever. I wanted everything to just be done by today so I could actually post this video. While I was waiting for him to come back, I was putting the little hooks on the ornaments, but then that's when we found out that they were all sold out. So then I ended up taking a shower and going out myself, but they were sold out at the other store also. But anyways, this was my favorite part, putting the ornaments on the tree together and putting the lights on the ornaments, especially putting the special ornaments that we got. We had one that said T for his name and a Y for my name. And then we also ended up putting the keys that I had got him. So the ones that said our first Christmas in our new home. And then I also ended up putting some where he had made some in like first grade and I just hung them on there and I thought it was very special. And then of course can't forget the rug, so I ended up putting the rug, and afterwards I just felt like everything looked very well together. Like everything red and white really just makes me excited for Christmas. I can't wait for Christmas, spend time with family, and of course open gifts. that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me for Christmas video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.